Now that you have a basic understanding of how the website editor works, it's time to start editing the text, images, and links on your different web pages. Before we get started, you will want to make sure you have selected the page you want to edit from the page list to the left. If you do not see the page list, you can always open the View pull-down menu and check the Show Page List option. Once you feel comfortable with the overall look and feel of your website template, you can begin editing content by selecting the Edit Page button at the top of the page. Now that we are in edit mode, let's begin by editing some text. Editing text is as simple as highlighting any text on the website and typing new text right in. As I add new text to the site, you will notice it maintains the same font styles, colors, and settings currently used within the theme of your web page. However, you can always change or customize these settings using the formatting toolbar at the top. If you decide to copy and paste text from another document or website, you will want to make sure you convert it to plain text format before pasting it into the editor. This will remove any weird formatting issues that may get carried over. One easy way to do this is to open a basic text editor like Notepad, WordPad, or TextEdit, paste your text into there first, and then recopy and paste the content onto the site. This will remove any hidden formatting and make your life much easier as you customize the font styles of the newly added content. Editing images is just as easy. To add an image to your page, move your cursor to any open area of the web page and select the Insert Image button from the upper toolbar, or double-click on any existing image already on the site. This will launch the image uploader, where you can add an image already uploaded into your website image folder, or upload a new one right from your desktop. Once you have selected the new image, use the area to the right to customize the image so that it fits onto the web page the way you want. You can always come back and re-edit the image by double-clicking on it again. Now that we have customized the text and images on your web page, it's time to learn about hyperlinks. You can easily create a hyperlink by highlighting any text, image, or button and selecting the Insert Hyperlink option from the upper toolbar. This will launch the link editor, where you can choose from a number of different types of links you can now add to the site. You can link to another page of your site by selecting it from the page list. You can link to an external website by typing the URL into the external website field. You can create a download link that allows visitors to your site the ability to download files of any type by selecting the Upload Document link and browsing the file you want them to be able to download. And lastly, if you ever have an email address or Contact Us Here section on the site, you can turn it into a link that allows visitors to send emails to a member of your organization by simply adding the recipient's email address into the Mail To field and, of course, clicking Save when you are finished. Once you're content with all the changes you have made, simply click on the Return to View button at the top of the editor and decide whether you want to save or disregard your changes. It is important to understand that anything you save will immediately be pushed out onto the public version of your website in real time. One thing to keep in mind while editing your web pages is whether a content region is fixed or expandable. Most body regions of your site will expand as you run out of space to accommodate your content. However, some areas are fixed and will not expand if you exceed the region space. When this happens, you will see weird shifting of content and background images. You can always delete or shorten up content in a fixed region in order to get your website looking the way it should. The Design Info page at the bottom of your page list provides you with important information regarding your website template. Here you will find video tutorials, color codes for the color themes we use across the website, and image sizes. You will want to make sure you crop your images to these dimensions before you add them to the website. This way, they will fit perfectly within the regions of your website. In the next video, I will go over the calendar and photo sections of your website.